In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can publish your Google Slides presentation on the web and share this with other people. So let's get started. Here I have a couple of slides. For example, if you go to slide number 2, here I have added a link. Similarly, here I have added another link and so on. So let's say that I want to publish this on the web so that other students or other colleagues can see that through web, and they don't have to sign through Google account. They just have to go to that link and watch the presentation. So in that case, what I have to do is go to Files, go to Publish to the web. If I click here, you see you have two options. First is Link and another one I have is Embed. In Link, by default, it will advance to the next slide in every 3 seconds. And if you want, you can change it from here, right? At this moment, let me keep it to 3 seconds. And if you want to start slideshow by default, as soon as the page loads, you can check the first option. And if you want to restart again at the end, you can check the second option. All right. So I'm not going to change this. And if you just click on this publish button, it will publish to the web. And before that, I'll just show you what is embed. So here you can select the size of your embed. For example, let's say that I want to choose large, and by default I'm not going to change auto advance option. Let's keep it as 3 seconds, and once you publish it, what happens is it will generate a embed code. Let me just show you. If I click OK, you see this is the embed code, and if I just go to my website here, let me just go to text and let me just copy this. Okay, just update this, and now once it is updated, I'll just go to this link, and if I just come down, you see this is the embed link through which you'll be able to see this particular presentation, and you can advance it. For example, if I just click on this start button, you see it will automatically advance after every 3 seconds. For example, if I just click on this, let's say if I just come back and if I just select on this Mercury, you see I'll go to this Mercury link. If I just click on this back to main page and go to Mars, click here, you see it goes to Mars page. So as a student, it gives a lot of flexibility, and you don't have to sign up with Google. All you have to do is you have to just follow the link and you can watch the entire presentation. All right, go back. So let me come back, and here another option is if you go to link, you see this is the link which will be generated. If I just copy this link, and as a user or as a student, if I just click on this link, so what happens is you have to share your link with those students. Just give enter as a student, and again you see here at the bottom you have link. That means you can advance to the next slide. You see here I can select any particular slide number, as well as you can go to settings and you can change the auto advance field also. So let's say that you want to see every 5 seconds, you can do that as well. If you want to do every 2 seconds also, there is an option for that. And if I just click on start, you see if I click on this play button, automatically the slides will keep on starting. If I click on this Mercury, you see it goes to Mercury. And if I just click on this main page, if I just click on this Uranus, you see it goes to Uranus. All right. So there are a lot of options, and by default, automatically every 2 seconds, it will advance to the next slide. So you can see that automatically it is moving. Let me just start the presentation. Now you see automatically it will move. Right? So this is how you can publish the presentation to the web so that your students or other colleagues can watch the entire presentation. So let's come back here. Just close this. Another way to share your presentation is by using the share option. If I click on this, you can share the link to any public, and at the bottom you have get link. If I just copy this link, you see if I just go here in a new window, if I just give this link, you can see that I'm able to share this particular slide, and the person or the person with whom I have shared this link need not be signed in. You see this is just for view. So this is just for browsing and viewing purpose, and you see the person can just go through the slides and browse it. Let me just come back, and here you can also add people. For example, if I just give, let's say, test@test.com, and if I just give comma, you can add multiple people, and you can also give the roles. For example, you see at present it is editor role. I can just come here, I can just make him or her as a viewer or commentator and so on. Similarly, just go to the settings and here you can just change few options. For example, editors can change the permission and share, but if you don't want to give that permission, you just uncheck this, right? Similarly, you can uncheck the second option. At this moment, I'm not going to do that. Let me just come back, and once you have done everything, you have to just click on this send button, and this is going to send an email to that person, and that person, once received the email, he can just go through your slides, and based on the permission, if he is having the edit access, he can edit your slide. If he is having view access, he is only able to view the slides. Alright, we have seen two things. First one is publish to the web. Other thing is you can use the share option. So depending on your choice, you can either use one of them. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing our channel. And we have a complete series in Google Slides. Alright, so that's it in this video. Take care. Bye. With